do some simple stuff. Whoa, whoa, whoa. As long as you're nice and gentle. Gentle, suavemente. Very good. Can I go for the grip? No, can't get it. Ollie, what'd you do? Did you step on something? Okay, watch out. We gotta clean up. You stepped on the horsey. Let's go for the grip. Want to do some yoga dandasana moves?
No, thank you, Mom.
No, thank you, Mom. That was very polite. Hang on. Let me help. Let Mommy help. What's the matter? What's the matter? You want a blanket to be flat? Okay, here you go. There you go. This one flat too? Okay. How's that? Watch your little. Shh. Someone's getting cranky. You want it next to that. Okay. Up there. Is that better? Is that better? Now the pillow? Okay. How do you want it to go? Blanket, pillow? Or pillow, then blanket? Want me to help you? Can I help you? Honey, that's a really small blanket. And then you want this one over it? There. You want me to help you? What are you feeling, honey? Pillow for your head. I'm holding you. The blankie. Do you want to go for a ride? What, your foot? Honey, these are too small blankets. They're not gonna, it's a handkerchief. It's not gonna cover you. Get ready, okay? We're gonna do something new. It's called the lifting pose. It's a lotus lifting. You wanna lift with me?
No.
Oh, okay. Well, that doesn't work out very well. Here. You want to rest? Okay, lay down. Lay down right here. 1, 2. Honey, it's like 10 o'clock in the morning.